Good morning students. Today we will start with standard 2 subject EVS. Everyone, you have to take this textbook out and we will start with the next lesson, that is lesson number 2.5 houses on page number 29. You have to take out this lesson, okay? And I will start reading. There are different types of houses and also different sizes around us. A house protects us from the heat, the rain, the cold and also the snow. It also protects us from the harmful animals. Many years ago, people did not live in houses. Today we have houses, but the people that lived many years ago, they did not have house. They lived in caves. See here, in this picture you can see here that the people in the olden days, they lived in caves. They did not have proper houses to live in. They used to live in caves. When there were floods, people went to live on the mountain tops to seek shelter. See, when they stay in this place, what would happen that whenever there were floods or very heavy rainfall, what do they used to do? They used to go on the top of the mountain and they used to stay there. Then people started living in huts on the ground. See, the picture of the hut is also given. After these, the people in this age, they began to stay in the huts. Huts were made from branches and leaves of the trees. See this hut, you can see this was made from the branches and the leaves of the trees, but huts did not protect them from the heavy rain. What would happen to this hut when it rained very heavily? The huts would not remain stand. They would fall down. So this would not protect them from the heavy rainfall. So people made houses with stones and mud. Even today some people build houses with stone and mud. See, in the older days people used to stay in open areas. Then they started living in the huts and then they started making houses of mud and stones. Nowadays houses were built with cement. They are much stronger. We see many such buildings in big cities. What is said now in this paragraph that today's buildings, they are made up of cement, which are even more stronger than all these houses. See, today even if there is a heavy rainfall or how much ever sun, cold or anything or any floods, nothing happens to our building. This is because of the cement. It is very much stronger than even the mud, stone, the branches and also the leaves. And these buildings we can see many quantity around us. People also live in tents made of canvas and clothes. This type of house is movable. See here, even a tent is shown. People also live in this tent. This is also called a movable house. Whenever people go for a trekking or for outing, they use these tent houses to stay in. We'll see the next page now, page number 30. Some of the people who help to build a house are the carpenter, the mason, the builder, the plumber, the electrician and as well as the engineer. What do these do? They help our houses to become very stronger. See, you can see the picture of these people are given here. See, he is an engineer. He directs how the house has to be built. The carpenter, he cuts the wood in each sizes which is required. The electrician, he does all the electric lightings very properly. The plumber, he fitters all our pipes and taps very properly. And the mason, he puts all the bricks and cement together which make our house very strong. The next, bamboo, tiles, tined roofs, iron rods, cement, wood, bricks and stones, are some of the things used to build a house. See, in today's day, many more things are also used to build a house. Which are these? They are bamboo, the tiles, the iron rods, the wood, the bricks, the tin roof, the cement, and also the stones. These are also things that are used today for building a house. Okay. Now see on page number 31. There are 2 points given here. We'll read this. The mason uses stones which come from mines or quarries. The mason, he uses the stones which come from the mines. Bricks are made from mud and baked in fire. The bricks that are used to build the houses, they are made from clay and they are also baked on a very high temperature in fire. Now we have finished with the lesson, and the question answers that are given to you on page number 31 along with page number 32. See, 32, the question answers given here, and on the page number this 31, all these question answers will be provided to you in this end of the video. You have to complete this book and also along with your notebook. Okay.